welcome to my channel, Nanny Quiz. Today, we are playing your favorite game, Choose Your Gift Box. Are you excited? Well, you should be because it's gonna be fun. But hey, quick shout out, comment superstar alert. We are pinning the best comment of the day. So keep those comments coming and you might be in the spotlight next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun, more quizzes and even more challenges you love. Alright, let the fun begin.
Choose your pet. Fluffy, fierce or fabulously unique. Choose your car. Speedy racer or luxury cruiser. Choose your dog. Loyal protector or adorable cuddler. Choose your gate. Grand entrance or cozy welcome. Choose your footwear. Stylish strides or comfy kicks. Choose your pizza. Cheesy overload or pepperoni perfection. Choose your laptop. Gaming beast or work machine. Choose your carpet. Soft and cozy or bold and vibrant. Choose your computer setup. Pro gamer or sleek workspace. Choose your dinner. Gourmet delight or home-cooked comfort. Choose your private jet, elegant skies or wild luxury. Choose your bike helmet, safety with style or sleek and stealthy. Choose your keyboard, RGB magic or minimalist class. Choose your table, rustic charm or modern edge. Choose your snacks, sweet treats or salty crunch. Choose your pancake, syrupy stack or fruity fluff. Choose your alarm clock, retro ring or digital precision. Choose your kitchen, chef's dream or cozy cooking spot. Choose your castle, fairy tale dream or fantasy fortress. Choose your crown, royal gold or sparkling jewels. Choose your bedroom, peaceful retreat or color explosion. Choose your nails, glam gloss or funky design. Choose your notebook, scribble space or creative journal. Choose your dress, elegant evening or fun and flirty. Choose your hair clips, glittery glam or cute and quirky. Choose your flower vase, classic glass or bold statement. Choose your dog. Again, you can't have too many puppies. Choose your pizza. Yes, another slice, please. Choose your toilet, modern luxury or vintage vibes.
You like it? Smash that like. Drop a comment below. Share it with your bestie and don't forget to subscribe.